Our goal is to attract and retain the best talent that we can find, starting with the right cultural fit in the organization. Regardless of whether or not you have any machining experience, Braccolini could be the place for you.
The culture at Braccolini is the best I've ever seen.
We have to be competitive, and innovation is what makes us competitive. We have some of the best talent in the industry for manufacturing, engineering, and machinists.
The people that work here are very committed to the company. They feel valued. They really love coming to work and doing their job, and they're willing to do whatever is necessary to go to the next level.
A family-owned company is really important, not being a number, being a person, seeing the ownership almost on a daily basis, that face-to-face interaction.
Working at Braccolini with 70 years has amazing impact on you because there's so much pride that goes into it. Ron and the leadership, they continue to put back into the company. They're putting back into the people, they're putting back into the equipment. It's continuous education here.
Versatility is key to our success. Wherever the customer need is, we need to be able to shift our workforce. So a lot of cross-training.
They've allowed me to grow as a person. They'll work with me and they'll help me to learn and push me to get better at that.
Just a great team, really focused on the Braccolini core values. It's easy to do good work when you're working with good people.